Hey there, welcome. This is a Calvin Elite trigger from TIMNEY Triggers. Has a 1.5 trigger pull, and this is the AR, have it installed. Just to get into further detail, I'll be showing you on camera how light the trigger is so you can see. And the reset, very light, very crisp, zero creep. Really light triggers, so fantastic. Just to get into further detail, it does come with other options for the trigger boot. This is the original one it came with. I took it off, installed the flat face version. Has a curved, another flat with a bottom boot. So it just depends on what you like personally. Comes with the wrench also. What I really like about is it has zero creep, very quick reset, very light trigger. Ready for the range, factory calibrator, ready to shoot. Ultra reliable 5-pound hammer spring coupled with a crisp and zero creep 1.5 pound pull weight. No gunsmithing required, dropping complete assembled trigger. Original hammer trigger pins. Makes use of your rifle's original hammer and trigger pins. Custom fit and light pull weight. Includes the triggers that I showed you. Heeled, curved, straight, and knurled bar shoes. And again, this is from TIMNEY Triggers, called Calvin Elite AR trigger. Go check them out, guys. Thanks for watching.